Hello there, this is the new T-Embed Si4732 based radio module from Lilygo. This is the new version of T-Embed with the Si4732 expansion module. It comes in this box and contains the module, an antenna and a user manual. So here is the T-Embed Si4732 module, which has the same form factor of T-Embed CC1101 module. It got a round encoder slider with a switch for selecting functions and menu. The module comes with a 1.9-inch 170 by 320 ST7789 based TFT IPS display. On the bottom side, it has a grow connector. In the right side, we can see the Type-C USB port for charging and updating the firmware. On the top side, we got the speaker and a reset switch. We can attach different antennas here and we can increase the reception rate. This back panel is attached using magnets, so we can easily separate them by pulling off. The module comes with a 3.7 volt 700 mAh lithium polymer battery. So here is the Si4732 radio module. The Si4732 is a I2C high performance digital radio chip designed for AM, FM, SW, LW and other broadcast bands. It has high sensitivity, low power consumption and works based on digital signal processing or DSP. After opening the front panel, we can see two microphones and the API-102 NeoPixel LEDs, which can be programmed. On the back side, we can see the ESP32S3 controller and a micro SD card slot, which is not accessible from the outside. Now let's turn on the radio by pressing the button. Now we can see the crispy display and channels. We can use the encoder to change channels, volume, etc. The quality of reception is perfect and clear. You can see the working. You can turn off the radio by long pressing the middle button. So this Si4732 based T-Embed module is good for radio reception. We can access different frequencies with this. By the way, we can use this for broadcasting currently. But since it has mic and SD card slot, we can develop custom firmwares. All the details of firmware and hardware available in the Lilygo site. You can find the link from my video description. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed and learned something new from my video. If so, please consider supporting me by liking, sharing and subscribing. That's all up to you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.